Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. After that, select More Connection Settings, tap on Printing, and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to, you can always use different print service by disabling this one thanks to this switcher, going back and tapping on Download plugin. Over here, select the best service from the list of available ones, install it, and then click on the back button twice. As you can see, when I click on my new service, my Samsung was successfully connected to printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!